Hello, my name is Bisharat Musipal, and today I'm going to represent what is phonon. So, our outlines are introduction, what is phonon, importance in physics, and wave vector types of phonon, energy of phonon, phonon momentum, lattice vibration, dispersion, relation, future of phonon. In introduction, the concept of phonon was introduced in 1932 by the Soviet physicist Igor Tamm. The name phonon comes from Greek word phon, which translates to sound or voice, because long wavelength phonons give rise to sound. The name is analogous to word photon. What is phonon? A phonon is a collective excitation in a periodic elastic arrangement of atoms or molecules in condensed matter, specifically in solids and some liquids. Importance in physics. Phonon play a major role in many of physical properties of condensed matter, such as thermal conductivity and electrical conductivity. In this equation, the thermal conductivity as a Q is the heat flux, K is the thermal conductivity, and T is the temperature gradient. If the phonon vector wave vector if a phonon with wave vector is created by inelastic scattering of a photon or neutron from wave vector k to k prime, the wave vector selection rule that govern the process is where the g is the reciprocal lattice vector. Types of phonon. When the unit cell contain more than one atom, the crystal will contain two types of phonon, acoustic and optical. Optical phonons are excited easily by light. In acoustic phonon, both positive and negative ions swing together, where in optical phonon, positive and negative phonon swing against each other. From the quantum theory, energy of phonon, the energy of harmonic oscillator is calculated by this equation. So in this equation, omega is the angular frequency, phonon momentum. It is convenient to interpret h cut k as the phonon momentum. It is not really the true kinetic momentum and often referred to as a crystal momentum. Lattice vibration. Lattice vibration is the oscillation of atom in a solid about equilibrium position. For a crystal, the equilibrium position from a regular lattice due to the fact that atoms are bound to neighboring atom. The vibration of these neighboring atoms is not independent of each other. Dispersion relation. A quantum vibrational energy associated with particular normal mode is known as phonon. It has energy h omega and wave vector k. The frequency omega k is the function of q and is known as phonon dispersion relation. Heat capacity. Phonon are crystals' way of storing the thermal energy. Each chemical bond is treated as an oscillator whose fundamental frequency is determined by the elastic constant and the mass of the attached atom. However, since no bond is isolated but rather part of a crystal lattice, oscillation do not occur on individual bonds. Instead, vibrational modes are excited along certain lattice direction. As long as the oscillation can be treated as a elastic, Hooke's law can be taken to be valid. The quantum mechanical harmonic oscillator model determines the energy level of particular mode and its harmonic. Predicted properties. Phonons are often used as a quasi-particle. Some popular research has shown that phonon and protons may indeed have some kind of mass and be affected by gravity. Phonons are predicted to have a kind of negative mass and negative gravity. Phonons are known to travel faster in denser material. It is predicted that phonon would defect away as it detects the difference in densities, exhibiting the qualities of negative gravitational field. Phonon have also been predicted to play a key role in superconductivity in material and prediction of superconductive compounds. Thank you.